Hello guys, welcome to the series of Dialogflow tutorial. In this session, we are going to learn about what is follow-up intent and how to create chatbot using follow-up intent. Let us first understand what is follow-up intent. Follow-up intents refer to previous intent or parent intent to continue a bot conversation. It is used to repeat an event or request for more information about the event. Follow-up intent is a type of context. For example, do you want to book an appointment? The reply can be yes or no. These are default follow-up intents. Next example, how are you going to attend the webinar? Laptop or mobile? This follow-up intent is a custom defined intent. Let us now create a chatbot using follow-up intent. Firstly, we need to create a new agent. Once your agent is created successfully, go to default welcome intent and delete all the default responses and add new text response saying, welcome, would you like to attend RPA webinar on Sunday morning at 11 a.m. and click on save. Once your intent is saved successfully, go to intent's main page again. When you hold a cursor on the default welcome intent, you have an option called add follow-up intent. Click on it. You can see there are many options here saying custom, fallback, yes, no, later, and cancel. Now we are going to create follow-up intent for positive responses from candidates. So we'll select yes. Default welcome intent is a parent intent while default welcome intent yes is a child intent. Click on default welcome intent yes. You can see the context is automatically added here and there are predefined training phrases here, so we do not need to train the bot right now here. We just have to add the response. Go to add response and enter, can you please tell me how are you going to join the meeting, laptop or mobile, and click on save. Once this intent is saved successfully, go to intent's main page, extend the default welcome intent. Now you can understand there are two possibilities of answers that we may receive from the user. One is mobile and the second one is laptop or desktop. So click on add follow-up intent and select custom. You can see now default welcome intent yes is a parent intent for default welcome intent yes custom. So click on it. I'm just changing the name from custom to mobile. As you can see, there are no training phrases available here. We need to train the bot here. So let us now train the bot. Click on training phrases and add your expression here. So I'll add mobile. You can add more than one training phrases. I'm adding all the possible answers that we might receive from the user. User might say mobile or buy mobile. User might also respond as I will use mobile. Now go to responses and add a response saying okay. You can record the session so that you can practice it later. Please provide your name for registration. Now go back to the contexts and add a output context such as candidate name and click on save. Now we have created a follow-up intent for mobile. Similarly, we'll create it for laptop. So go back to intents, again extend this, click add follow-up intent of default welcome intent yes, select custom, click on the default welcome intent yes custom and change the name over here as laptop. Now train it, I'll add laptop by computer or desktop. Add a text response saying, awesome, sounds good. Please provide a name for registration. Go to the context and add a output context saying candidate name and click on save. Now go back to the intent's main page. Extend the default welcome intent. You can see there is a child intent named as default welcome intent. Yes. There are two more child intents that are for default welcome intent yes. That is, one is default welcome intent yes for laptop and default welcome intent yes for mobile. So just let us test this part. Say hi, welcome. Would you like to attend RPA webinar on Sunday morning at 11 a.m.? This is the default response we are getting from bot. Now I'll say yes. Can you tell me How are you going to join the meeting? So I'll say mobile. Okay. You can record the session so that you can practice it later. Please provide a name for registration. I'll say my name is Sneha. Say that one more time. We are getting this default response because we haven't created the intent for the name purpose. So now let us create an intent for the candidate name. So click on create intent and enter a intent name, candidate name. Go to context and add a input context saying candidate name. Go to parameter, enter a parameter name. I'll enter candidate name, enter an entity name. Here we are going to use a system entity at the rate system dot given name and then enter a value. Again remember, whenever you are entering the value, specify a dollar symbol first and then the value. Let us add a validation as well here. Click on required checkbox first and add a validation saying say that again and click on close. Now train the bot. So I'll enter my phrase saying my name is Sneha. Double click on Sneha and add the parameter here system.given name candidate name. Click on it and click add here and then enter. Add one more expression saying I am Rupali. Click on Rupali and add the parameter here. Click add and then click enter. Add one more, click on it, click add and enter. Now we have successfully trained our bot. Go to add responses and add a response saying nice, please provide your mobile number and click on save. Go back to the context and add a output context for mobile number. Click on save. Our candidate name intent is saved successfully. Go back to intents. Let us create one more intent for mobile number. So I'll create a new intent saying contact number. Go to context and add an input context saying mobile. Now go to parameters, add a parameter name saying contact number, entity as at the rate system.any. You can add any kind of training phrases here. Dollar contact number. Check the required checkbox and add a validation saying can you say it again and click on close. Now you need to train the bot. Go to the training phrases and add your expressions. Double click on the number and select the parameter and click on enter. You can add one more training phrase saying my number is so and so. Double click on the number and again select the parameter name and click on enter. Once you have trained the bot successfully, add the response here saying congratulations. Enter the name here. So you have to add the context here. Say hash candidate name dot candidate name. Click on save. Now we have successfully created follow-up intent for positive response. So let us test it. So I have entered hi. So the response I have received is would you like to attend the RPA webinar on Sunday morning at 11 a.m. So I'll say yes. Can you tell me how are you going to join the meeting? I'll say mobile. Okay. you can record the session so that you can practice it later. Please provide your name for registration. So this is the default response we have received. So let us enter our name now. So the default response I have received is nice. Please provide a mobile number. So I have provided my number. Congratulations, Neha. You have successfully registered for the RPA webinar. Do you want us to send you the reminder? So I'll say yes. So the default response is I will remind you on Sunday at 10 o'clock. So now we can see that this is working fine. Now let us create the follow-up intent for negative intent. Click on add follow-up intent beside default welcome intent and select no. Click on default welcome intent no and add the response here saying no problem. Thanks for connecting with us and click on save. Go back to intent. Says now that we have created follow-up intent for negative response, let us integrate this chatbot. Go to integrations, choose web demo, activate the toggle button, click on the link and you can see the new window is opened. Now let us check it. So I'll say hi again. I'll say yes. I'll say mobile. So it is asking you can record the session. You can so that you can practice it later. Please provide your name for registration. So I'll say Sneha. Now it is asking us to provide the mobile number. So I have provided the mobile number. So it is asking us, do you want us to send you the reminder? So I'll say no. All right. For more information, please visit the website. We have now successfully created the chatbot using follow-up intents. Thank you guys for watching this video.